What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We're doing an exhaust video and this time we're going to use an external microphone so we get good audio quality. And stick around till the end of the video and I will go over exactly what my exhaust setup is. So here we go. Okay, so I hope you guys like that, and now we're gonna go through my complete exhaust setup that I have on the car. Side note, it's not really like the best sounding exhaust like a Tome or whatever, but it is fairly cheap because I built it myself, and this is a track only car, so it really doesn't matter to me how loud it is. Plus the muffler that I'm going to be showing you guys, that I actually made it modular so it can be removed out of the car if I want to go like full true straight pipe, which I will have a video on probably after this one is up. And in that video I'm actually going to be showing you guys how my exhaust is set up underneath the car. Okay, so first things first, I'm running Nismo headers, nothing to say there, they're good quality. I got it used for a decent price. And I'm using resonated 1320 test pipes. I'm not a big fan of them because, well, it's not the test pipe's fault, but I just don't want any resonators and I don't want the flex joint in there also. And then I'm using an ISR test or white pipe, pretty good quality, happy with that too. And then finally we have the SLP muffler that I got off of Amazon. And I got this one because it's not like a traditional muffler where the exhaust stream comes in, then it gets like kind of shuffled around in there to make it quieter. This one, it still maintains really good flow. As you can see from the picture, like it goes in and then just kind of bends and comes straight back out. So it's very like minimal restriction towards flow, and overall it's a good product, so highly recommend that. So yeah, that is it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to come back to the channel for the full true 3-inch straight pipe. That is ridiculously loud. Okay, thanks for watching.